Good morning, students. Hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I, Shahinur Begum, lecturer of Management Department in Milestone College, welcome you all today's online class. This chapter name is Ethics in Business and Social Responsibilities. Students, hope that all of you are ready for the class and you have the book and CW copy. Previous time I have discussed about so many things about ethics and social responsibilities with business values. So you know what is business and what is the main objective of business in generating profit. However, it has to maintain some ethics and social responsibilities as well. As a part of the society, the entrepreneur and business organization has to bear in mind and uphold the idea of social values, morality, and positive attitude towards society. So, in this chapter, we shall learn about the different aspects of ethics and social responsibility of a business. So, students, first of all, you have to learn the definition about business values and ethics. The concept of values and ethics are indispensable to each other. What is value? Value is the wisdom and attitude of the society which is treated as valuable and eligible to be followed by others. What is ethics? The word ethics has evolved from the Greek ethos, which means the standard of human behavior. Ethics is related to our daily activities. We know that the responsibility of teacher is to teach the student properly. This is not the end. He has to ensure whether the students understand the lesson. He should also look after the inattentiveness students, to examine the homework of the students and make correction if there is any mistake. All these tasks are included in his ethical responsibilities. Like a teacher, a student needs to be followed some ethics, such as going to school in time, doing homework properly, and follow the ideology of the teacher. So ethics means the capacity of analyzing the good and bad and accepting the right things. Again, I am telling, ethics means the capacity of analyzing the good and bad and accepting the right things. It is the part of ethics to carry out responsibilities by the teacher and student properly. After that, you have to read the business ethics. In your book, page 141, there is written the definition of business ethics with concept. Now, this is values. This is very important topics for you. Necessity of business values and ethics. You must read this properly. What is the necessity of business values and ethics? After that, there are important topics today. I am discussion about this. This is social responsibility of business. So first of all, you have to know what is the social responsibility of business. So there are some social responsibility of business. Is a written responsibility to state, responsibility to the society, responsibility to customer and consumer, responsibility to employee. So you know that in a businessman, they have some responsibility. So first, responsibility to the state. First of all, to pay tax to the government regularly, to follow the rules and regulations properly, to contribute for employment generation and economic development. This is responsibility to the state. As a businessman, this is the responsibility to state. So you have to remember these 3 points. Number 2, responsibility to the society. The business is developed from enjoying various facilities from the society. So business has to carry out the following responsibilities favoring the society. Number 1, producing quality products and supplying them as per demand of the society, creating opportunity for employment generation, assisting in various public welfare works, stand by the people at natural calamities, safeguard the environment from pollution, not creating artificial storage of goods and making artificial scarcity to make extra profit. So this is the responsibility to the society. As a businessman, they must do this for the society as a responsible businessman. Now let's come to responsibility to customer and consumer. The success of business depends upon the trust and cooperation of buyer and consumer, so the businessman has to carry out the following responsibilities. What are the? To keep product market stabilized, to supply quality products, to make products easily available, to provide various information and products and market. Number 4, responsibility to employees. The profit of the business is earned through the untiring effort of employees and staffs. Thus, business cannot be operated ignoring their interest. With the progress of business, their salaries and wages should be increased. Bonus and increment to be awarded as a whole, their condition should be improved. A business person has no performed the following responsibilities towards the employees: to provide proper wages and financial benefit, to provide job security, to ensure suitable working environment, to arrange training and promotion, to arrange for residence and treatment. So these are the responsibility to employee as a business or entrepreneurs. So again I am telling students, this is very important topics for you. Most of the time during final exam, the creative question come from these topics in this chapter. For the MCQ also you have to read this chapter properly, and you have learned whatever I discussed today, and if you have any query, any question, any confusion, you have to ask me as early as possible. Not only that, one thing I need to mention here, after our Eid vacation, most of the students, you are not submitting the homework properly. Today I have to prepare a homework defaulter and I must submit to the form master. So be careful. By today, if you submit the homework properly, that time I will not tell anything to your form teacher. And nowadays there is another system to you. You have to take out your CW copy and write down some topics, and you must complete as early as possible. This is your CW. Which one is your CW? That one is responsibility to state, responsibility to society, responsibility to customer and consumer, responsibility to employees. These 4 points you have to write with at least 3 sub points. This is the main point. With this you have to write down 3 sub points from these 4 responsibility, and you have to submit as early as possible. Today up to this, be safe, staying at your home. Allah Hafiz.